Alright everybody, North Dakota, and we made it through the blizzards, and we've made it through the 30 and 40 and 50 below zero, and now it's on to the 2019 flood fight. And so today I'm just going to show you what's going on in North Dakota. Got the excavators out here, and they're digging out the ditches to hopefully get the water to flow. Here, I'll see if I can jump out here, take a quick picture for you. Flood fight 2019 starting. He's dug that ditch all the way down there and dig it to the river, I suppose. And by golly, it's Wayne Larson driving that 350D. Wow, flood fight 2019. I guess I said that, but that's, yep. Nice day in North Dakota. 34 degrees. Well, Wayne, runs that pretty good, doesn't he? Well, there you go, everybody. This is just the beginning of Flood Fight 2019 here. All right.